Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your browsing history in the Trandyol app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the account menu, and under the overview section we find browsing history. We tap on this. Here we can turn this on or off. If you don't want the app to save our browsing history, then we can turn it off. But if we leave it on, then here is going to be a list of the items that we have viewed so far, and we can track back on items that we liked, so we don't forget them. Here should be a list. I haven't used the app so far, but there's going to be a list here after you use it for a bit. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.